I use this software from the last 7 days and I have generated 10,000 plus verified lead, and I will show you how you can generate verified lead for your business. No matter you are doing agency business, you are marketer, coaches, consultant, this software solve your lead generation problem permanently. So here is, you can see I have generated every single day. I genuinely tested this software and leads always working well, and you can generate a lot of qualified client, a lot of customer, a lot of sale using this exact software. And this software recently launched. So in this video we are going to show you complete a review. Also we are provide you a lot of bonuses and my personal support if you finish this video. Okay, so for examples, here you can see electronic shop in Delhi. Also you can find anywhere else. Okay, I will show you how you can use. Look at this. This is all verified lead. Okay, and let me open another, and it will, and for examples, here is business and agency, and we have searched today in 4th November, and is the phone number, email, address and website, and you can pitch your services to your client. Okay, so this is literally some examples. You can generate any kind of lead. So let me show you how you can use this software and how you can find a lead. So just click, once you purchase the software, then you can click on this on here, and if you want the software, you just click on the description below. Okay, and you will visit on this our review page, and you just read down and just click on the get start button, or you can click on any button on here. Okay, click on this button and this button and you will get this software, by the way. Okay, for examples, you are running agency of you are a marketer and you are running ad agency. Okay, ad agency, so you can advertisement agency, and where you want to where you want to promote your businesses and products. So let me give you this on New York. Okay, New York. So you just, and once you click the find leads, it's working and generating leads within a second. Okay, so it will take a little bit time, so we are introducing our exclusive hot bonuses with you. So if you want to pick up this software, just click on the link below and you will get our exclusive bonuses. Okay. But before explaining our bonuses, let me share some quick note about this software. Real-time verified leads. You will get a real-time verified lead, not junk and spammy leads. Automated list building. You can build unlimited leads using this software. Also, you can create high converting emails, swipe copy. You don't need to write yourself, and convert, rewrite better conversion. And also you can convert your leads with anywhere. Okay, user-friendly UI labels and one-time payment. You don't need to pay any monthly fees. And first we can share result with you. After then we can share our exclusive bonuses, and our exclusive bonuses only available in my page. No one give you this kind of bonuses. Okay, so little it will take time. So come back on here and you can see our first bonuses, AI course Launchpad Mastery. If you want to launch your course and you want to sell with millions of people, then pick this software. Okay, just click on there and pick this software. Go to on the sales page and click on buy button, any buy button on here. Okay, and you can just spend the 39 bucks and you will go to your checkout page and finish, and you will get my bonuses automatically. Bonus number 2, you will learn about how you can use AI prompt engineering, and bonus number 3, copywriting mastery. Bonus number 4 is Facebook ad mastery using AI. And another bonus, YouTube mastery. You can learn how you can launch your YouTube channels, and after then if you want to start your ad agency, then you can get my bonus number 6, and bonus number 7, you can learn how you can design a funnel and sell with you will generate you can make approximately $10,000 per client. It is very secret course. After then I will teach you email marketing and content creation, and how you can launch your software and sell on our Replace and Zbizu like platform. So you will get my all bonuses with the limited time, only 50 people will be a share. So check out in the link description below. Also you can see this is in the short period of time it will generate 943 leads. So you can export on here, just click on here and you can download on your computer and save. So that's it. It's very simple and unique method to generate leads. Also they have a lot of feature. You can write down emails, on here, okay, personalized email, and also you can write down you can get a chat with this software and subject line and everything, okay. Also you can connect your email responder and you automatically send. So this is one of the best software I have seen ever, and this is my favorite. Go to check out and connect me WhatsApp and I will teach you how you can use this software, okay. Check link in the description. Thank